Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to see deleted messages on WhatsApp. First, you have to launch your WhatsApp application, and then in order to see deleted messages, exit your WhatsApp application first and go to your phone settings. Okay, now tap your phone settings here or the gear icon, scroll down and look for notifications and status bar. Now here, you have to go to manage notifications and look for your WhatsApp application. Now the reason why WhatsApp notification, okay, you have to open this to your phone settings and go to your WhatsApp notification is to make sure that all the notifications on your WhatsApp, these are all toggled on. Okay, so that means if you receive a notification on your WhatsApp, especially messages, it will appear. Specifically, it will appear at the top. You just have to swipe down and you can see the messages, even if that person deleted it after 1 second or after a minute. If you open or if your notifications are on, you just have to swipe it down and you can see the messages or even the deleted messages. Another thing is that you can go back to your WhatsApp application, tap the three dots and go to your settings and scroll down, look for chats. Now here, you have to make sure that your chats or messages have backup. Okay, so in order to do that, you just have to tap this chat backup. And even if your messages or you accidentally deleted your WhatsApp application, or maybe there's a virus or something happened to your WhatsApp account or application, if you click this chat backup and you have clicked this backup before the situation happened, probably you can still recover or see deleted messages on WhatsApp. That's the reason why there is a chat backup here on your WhatsApp application. So there, or you can just add or install third-party application, but that is really not recommended because it's not good for your phone, your device, or even it's not good for your applications, something like that. So that's it. You can just pick any of these methods, and I hope this video helped. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.